Hello, Independent 7th grade students. It's Mrs. Douglas and Mrs. Hinckley with you again today. And today we're working with multiplying and dividing integers. And again, you might remember this from way back at the beginning of our 7th grade school year. And so I see that an example problem is a negative 3 times 5. And so when I have that negative 3 times 5, first of all, I'm not going to worry about the multiplying at all. I'm just worrying about the signs. I see a negative 3 and this 5 is positive. If the signs are different when we're multiplying, then the answer will be a negative answer. And then I multiply like normal. 3 times 5 is 15. I end up with a negative 15 final answer. On our next example, I have a negative 2 times a negative 6. And I notice that both of these are negative numbers. If the signs are the same, my answer is always going to be a positive answer. And then I just multiply like normal. 2 times 6 is 12. That makes sense because since you've been in 3rd grade, if you were multiplying two numbers like 5 times 4, and they both are the same sign of positive, then we just multiplied 5 times 4 to get 20, and it was a positive 20. So remember, when you're multiplying, if you have different signs, then your answer will be negative. If you have the same signs, your answers are positive. You have some practice problems below this example. Then you will see a second example all about dividing. And again, with dividing, if I have a problem like negative 27 divided by a negative 3, in which case both of those are negative numbers, so they have the same sign, I know that my answer is going to be a positive answer. And then I just divide like normal. 27 divided by 3 is 9. I end up with a positive 9. Examples like a negative 84 divided by a positive 7. I'm thinking, are my signs the same or different? And this time they're different. If they're different signs, it's going to be a negative answer. And then I have 84 divided by 7, which is 12. So I end up with a negative 12. Or if my first number is a positive number, like positive 66 divided by a negative 6, again, I'm just looking to see, oh, these are opposite signs, a positive and a negative. My answer will be negative. And then I divide like normal. 66 divided by 6 is 11. So again, same signs, I get a positive. Different signs, I get negative answers every time. Good luck, 7th grade. We'll see you later.